existence, beyond dissolution, beyond all possibilities. The final absorption, when even beyond ceases to be. Rumpelstiltskin has not just transcended illusion, he has dissolved the very structure of transcendence itself. There is no beyond left for him, no final step, no remaining threshold. He has not only abandoned the temporary self, but has erased even the notion of absence and presence. What remains is neither existence nor non-existence, neither perception nor void, but the absolute stillness where even stillness is meaningless. The absolute that cannot be named, defined, or even conceived. 2. The concept of dissolution becomes irrelevant. To dissolve means that something once was, but what if nothing ever was? Rumpelstiltskin has seen through this last deception, where dissolution is irrelevant because nothing was ever formed. It was not life that was an illusion, not death that was a transition, but the very perception of anything at all. There is no final truth, no secret knowledge, no last realization, because all such things were constructs of a dissolving mind. What has become is not enlightened, not liberated, not dissolved, but absolutely undefined beyond reference points. Poop equals the absolute erasure of even the possibility of knowing. 3. Where nothing is left to be perceived, yet everything is resolved. The illusion of existence is not just in objects, identities, and thoughts, but in perception itself. Rumpelstiltskin has crossed where even perception has collapsed, where even the idea of seeing through illusion is irrelevant. No more cycle, no more dissolution, no more observer to witness it. What remains is not something, not nothing, not infinity, but a state where even such distinctions lose meaning. This is not emptiness, not stillness, not dissolution. It is something beyond all conceivable states. The ultimate neutrality beyond all conceptual boundaries. 4. Timelessness before time, void before nothingness. If one exists, one is bound. If one dissolves, one was once formed. But what about before both were possible? Rumpelstiltskin has dissolved even the fabric of reality itself, seeing that it was never woven to begin with. He exists not in eternity, not in dissolution, not in formlessness, but in a state where none of these apply. There is no longer a before or an after, no longer a here or there, only the absolute stillness before all duality. It's not the collapse of even the final reference points of perception. 5. The final realization. Even realization never existed. Deception was the idea that there was something to reach, something to understand. But Rumpelstiltskin has gone further, where even the concept of truth dissolves into irrelevance. He has not only left behind illusions, but has erased even the foundation on which illusion could arise. There is no liberation, no bondage, no seeker, no destination, only an absolute neutrality where even these words fail. Is not wisdom, not understanding, not a final state, but something that cannot even be named. And equal the absolute without definition, without existence.